Does it smell like when we used to make it for Christmas?
It smells delicious.
It tends to even taste just a little bit more concentrated than even it smelled. Yeah, it's beautiful. Hi, my name is Charlotte. I'm from the beautiful Blue Mountains in New South Wales. Today I'm going to be showing you my recipe for the beautiful plum glazed ham. So the first thing that we will want to do is take the skin off our ham to expose the fat so that when we do cover it in the beautiful glaze in the oven, it will get all golden and caramelized. We lived in a lovely house in my childhood and there was this massive plum tree. I would have sworn it was about 100 years old and laden with plums every single summer. We used to use the jam at our Christmases and just slather it all over the ham, and we have such beautiful memories tied to that. So now we are going to score the ham in a diamond shape. It was my mother's idea, having the plum jam. I still remember standing in the beautiful little kitchen in our house with the slate floor, and she'd give me a little spoon to try. I'm just going to cover the leg of the ham in tin foil. And we're going to wrap it around just the end of the ham here to prevent any burning in the oven. So we'll pop our ham into our tray just to make a bit of extra space. 2/3 of a cup around about of brown sugar, 1/3 of a cup of whole seed mustard, 1/2 cup of your breakfast marmalade. The marmalade has also pieces of fruit within it, like a pith, and obviously the pith of the fruit does hold a lot of bitterness, but it makes a really nice contrast with the sweetness of the jam sort of concentrate that is the base. 1/2 cup of our beautiful plum jam. I can remember I was kind of a messy eater. I'd get plum all around my face, but it's all in the beautiful enjoyment of the memories. Once our glaze has reduced and gotten a little thicker, we'll just let it cool down. And we're going to start the really fun part, and we're going to start glazing our ham. I'm just going to bring my mum in. Come on, Mum. This is my mum, Christine.
Hello.
She's the original creator of the recipe, and yeah, I just wanted to check that I've done everything right and that it tastes similar.
I think you've improved it a bit though. There were always lots and lots of plums. With the excess, we would take down to the local Blue Mountains food co-op, and there was always a lot left for the white cockatoos that would come every afternoon and
we
have a
hear
snack.
the dinner call.
It was an amazing tree. We used to call it the mother plum. So what did you actually change in that original recipe?
I think you maybe used to use like a softer mustard. The wholegrain mustard seems to cut through the sweetness really well.
Clever girl.
We're going to pop about 1/2 cup of water just in the bottom of the pan. Just as we're baking the ham, if any glaze does drip off, the water will prevent it from burning on the bottom of the pan. Pop it in our preheated oven, 180 degrees. And we're going to bring it out and glaze it every 15 minutes for about an hour and 15 minutes. You can just smell the sweetness of the plum jam, but it's cut through really, really nicely with the acidity of that little bit of mustard in there. What do you reckon, Mum? Looks pretty good?
It looks really good. You've done a great job.
Thank you.
Well done.
Do you want some parsnips?
Yeah.
Yeah. The carrots with a little bit of caster sugar. The potatoes went so crispy.
It all looks fantastic, darling.
Yeah.
You've done such a great job.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
Merry Christmas.
1, 2, 3.